Hello and welcome to our video tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will show you how to redirect your domain from HTTP to HTTPS. Log into our panel and navigate to the side menu. Click on the Domains menu item and navigate into your domain group. Find your domain where you wish to set up the redirect, and click the Actions button next to your domain. Domain information page will appear. Click on the Miscellaneous tab. Under Domain Redirects, toggle the switch next to the Redirect HTTP to HTTPS line to turn on the redirect. If you wish to set up the redirect inside the htaccess file, log in to your cPanel account. Now, open the File Manager. Click on the file htaccess and click on the Edit button. Code Editor will open. Below the RewriteEngine On line, insert the following code that you can see on the screen. Do not forget to update the domain name in the rewrite rule to reflect your own domain. And click the Save Changes button. We hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our knowledge base or simply contact our support team.